What is going on, everybody? If you hear a little tippy tappy and shaky, my girlfriend calls. That's her dog, Mimi. We have say Charles in there. Got Mimi over here. I'm trying to record a video, buddy. We can play in a little bit, okay? All right, let's try that again. So, I was just editing this video and somehow it didn't get saved at all and I lost everything. But at the same time, I'm okay with that because I actually didn't like how this turned out. And I may show some clips and everything about how I did this and everything, but it's not the best job. Like, it's not the best job. So there is a technique that I can do that I'm thinking about doing, and we're gonna attempt it now. And if this works, this might be a pretty quick video. And if it doesn't work, then this video was just a failure and scrap. But anyways, what I'm gonna do right now on camera is actually put it on pretty well. Whew. And yes, if you wanna see the back, I did leave a lot of extra behind this because I wanted to make sure it really stayed on, and because you can't see behind this when it's on the bike. But okay, this is very anticlimactic because I honestly thought this was gonna be much easier to pull off. All right, one try. Kobe. All right, so now we're good. So I'm gonna put this right there. And sorry you hear my dog walking up and down the stairs. Sidetrack. The funny thing with my dog is he has a lot of attitude, and if you don't give him his attention, he's like a little kid and throws a tantrum and gets into everything. And if you still don't pay attention to him, then he'll go to his room, or my room, and just goes to bed. Maybe all dogs are like that. I don't know. He's my first dog, so I don't know. Better not be chewing on any socks, buddy. All right. So this is the material we're gonna be working with. We're using some Vivid vinyl wrap. I have no idea how Vivid really is. I've just messed with it on my bike. It was the cheapest thing that I found off Amazon, so I'm not bashing on them at all, but it was much cheaper than 3M, Oracle, and all those other wraps. So, I don't know, it is what it is. As you can tell, it's not in the best condition. It was in pretty much perfect condition until I brought this with me to Chicago on a road trip, and I accidentally smashed it with my luggage, and this is what we have now. So we got a lot of creases, a lot of this and that, but the good thing about vinyl wrap is for the most part, it's pretty forgiving, and as long as you kind of heat it up and everything, you can probably get away with a lot of these creases, but I have a feeling that these hard creases is probably there to stay. But that's okay, because yeah, this bike's not perfect. So I'm doing what I can with it. Anyways, so there was this method that I saw online where if you ever mess with vinyl wrap, anything that's not a flat surface is pretty hard to wrap. Make this whole long jargon short and simple and sweet. I found that some guy took the wrap and put it between two pieces like that. Scratch that, let's start over. I saw a method or a technique on YouTube where a guy was trying to wrap a side mirror of a car, and a side mirror of a car is round, and to wrap something round is hard. So what he did was he found, I believe it was his door panel or something, but he took the vinyl wrap, peeled it off, adhesive side, put one side the other side. The middle is completely blank, and so let's flip this around, pretend we're on the other side. So with the middle completely blank, he would take a heat gun, heat up the middle, and take the rounded surface and just push it in and kind of work it around, and then he'll take it off, and majority of the piece would be wrapped. So in theory, by doing that, you would have less creases around and you would have more to work with. I've never tried it. I see a lot of other people have tried it and been successful, but I've also seen a lot of other people have tried it and not so successful. I have a feeling for me, it's gonna be 50-50. Enough talking, let's just do it. This is a rare sighting of a sleeping meep meep. Not rare at all. She sleeps all the time. Oh. Okay, we're good after. I like how I'm actually just spinning this camera around this room because I'm actually unsure how I'm gonna do this, because I had an idea of using this empty tote or crate or whatever you call it. And I was gonna take this and stretch it along here, which I was like, sweet, easy enough. But if you can tell, and if you understood my theory earlier, or what we're trying to do, I need to gain on this side to adhesive and, you know, take that. It's not gonna work. It's just not gonna work. Alright guys, well, that wraps up this video. As you can see, we are completed, but I'm going to throw this on the bike and call it a day because I'm sick of working on this. So, hope you guys enjoy this video. If you don't mind, give a like.
Please go like and subscribe.
Yeah.
That's what they say.
Yeah. Go like and subscribe, guys. That's what they say. Till next time.